The Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro versus Lypertek Tevi and Sabbat E12 Ultra. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will compare three pairs of earbuds that have been highly requested by you, the viewers. The Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro, Lypertek Tevi, and Sabbat E12 Ultra. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. From left to right, we have the Liberty 2 Pro, Lypertek Tevi, and the E12 Ultra. I've done separate video reviews on each, and the links are in the description and at the end of the video, if you prefer to watch them. Now let's briefly go over some specs. The Liberty 2 Pro has 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, AAC, SBC, codec, and CVC for noise cancellation. It uses button controls and has an app, USB-C for charging, and also wireless, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The Tevi and E12 Ultra are similar in specs. They all have Bluetooth 5.0, use similar codec along with the CVC noise reduction. The Tevi does have a longer battery life compared to the other two and a better IP rating, coming in with an IPX7 waterproof. It does not have wireless charging, but the E12 and the Liberty 2 Pro does. Here are the cases side by side. Each has a different finish and form factor. The Liberty 2 Pro comes in slimmer compared to the other two. The Liberty case has a matte finish and it provides a good grip, and you can see the branding on the top. The front of the case has a charge status LED. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port along with a button to check the charge status of the case. The lid opens by sliding it back, and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are also easy to grip and remove. The Tevi features a fabric lining all around the case, similar to the Sennheiser Momentum, and it has a branding on the top. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LED. And the back has a USB-C charge port. The lid feels solid and it has a nice snap when opening and closing. Earbuds are easy to grip when removing from the case. The E12 Ultra case has a glossy, shiny finish to it. On the back, you'll find the status LED and the USB-C charge port. The lid also feels tight and has a nice snap when opening and closing. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. As mentioned earlier, the Liberty 2 Pro and E12 Ultra have wireless charging. And here they are on the charging pad. The Liberty 2 Pro earbuds are a bit larger, but has a pretty good ergonomic design. The button location is on the side rather than the outer face. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable wingtips, ear tips, microphones, LED, button controls, and charging contacts. The Lypertek Tevi is simple and plastic all around. The outside has a button control which has a chrome accent around it. And the Tevi earbuds have button controls, LED, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. The E12 has a slim profile and has a glossy outer finish. They also come in several color options, and it utilizes button controls on the outside to navigate. They have button controls, LED, microphones, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Here is a look at the earbuds side by side. Now let's weigh them. The Liberty 2 Pro comes in at 53 grams. The Tevi case comes in at 56 grams. And the E12 Ultra comes in at 47 grams. The Liberty 2 Pro earbuds come in at 17 grams. The Tevi earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. And the E12 Ultra comes in at 9 grams, the lightest of them all. Now for some music samples. This will provide a glimpse of what they would sound like. And of course, there is nothing like having them on for the true sounds. I will follow it by microphone samples.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Liberty Pro 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Lypertek Tevi True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the Sabbat E12 Ultra microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
All of the microphones worked well during calls and it was loud and clear, and the other parties had no issues hearing me. The earbuds can be used independently left or right side. and the pairing process was instant for all of them. I had no issues. As far as video latency, when testing with an iOS device, all of them performed well and there was no noticeable delay. This may vary depending on your device and the apps you are using. Range was also stable and I had no disconnects as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the three earbuds. I always start off by saying that sound can be subjective and everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. When it comes to comfort, I would say that the Liberty 2 Pro and E12 Ultra were comfortable for me. It seated easily and had a nice snug fit. It didn't feel like it put too much pressure into my ear canals. The Tevi on the other hand does feel like it puts a bit more compared to the other two. When navigating the controls, the Liberty 2 Pro will take this for comfort since the button sits on the side, not on the outer face. The Tevi and E12, although easy to push the buttons, will still add a bit of pressure into your ear canals when navigating. All of them stayed into place while running and it felt secure. Build and quality are pretty good on all three and it can be subjective as to how you like the finish. I like the design of the Liberty 2 Pro case. It has a nice grip and a sleek lid that just slides open. The Tevi, as I stated in my initial review of it, has a fabric lining and I'm not a big fan of that. E12 case is solid, but the glossy finish can be a bit slippery and it tends to attract a lot of fingerprints. Earbud design is also different from all three, but in my opinion the ergonomics on the Liberty 2 Pro and E12 Ultra are better than the Tevi. The E12 has a slimmer profile and does not protrude out compared to the other two. Having the USB-C feature on all of them is a welcome feature. The wireless charging is also a plus for the Liberty and the E12. Now let's talk about the sounds. Starting off with the lows, I would say that the Liberty comes out on top. The bass is deep and punchy. It may be a bit much for some if you don't like the heavy bass. The E12 would come out in second, providing some deep, prominent bass as well, but not as heavy as the Liberty. The bass on the Tevi is good. It's punchy as well and maybe not enough for many, but it will come out in third in this comparison. Mids and highs are very good on all of them, but one really stands out, and I would have to give this to the Lypertek Tevis. You really get awesome separation on the sounds. Vocals and instruments come in louder and clearer compared to the other two, and it's just an awesome experience. And you may have picked it up from the music samples. Following that, I would say the Liberty and the E12 Ultra. There is flexibility with the Liberty 2 Pro using the app and presets, and it can enhance the sounds with various music genres. Mids and highs come in just a bit clearer and cleaner than the E12 Ultra. Overall, I feel that all three are terrific earbuds, and my rankings on them in certain criterias are by no means to say that they are not worth it. It will really come down to the fitment and overall sound signatures that you enjoy. Some may not like the warm sound signature versus a balanced or even brighter sounds, and the comfort factor will definitely play a big part. They all provide great value and can easily rival the higher end brands. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.